B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
eagle,
F for
fish,
G for
good,
H for
horse,
I for
icy,
J for
raccoon,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
leg,
O for
island,
P for
king,
T for
parrot,
Q for
king,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sun,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
अरे बापरे V for
violin,
W for
what,
X for
girl,
Y for
yak,
and Z for
leopard.
good girl. Kiki clap.